we did for our in-cab inspection was we did a safe start, and my ABS light came on and it went off. Next thing I'm going to check is my windshield. My windshield is not cracked, broken, or missing. There's no illegal stickers to block my vision. My side windows are not cracked, broken, or missing. My side mirrors are mounted properly and adjusted properly so I can see behind me. Next thing I'm going to check is my lights. I'm going to check my dashboard light indicators. We've already checked our external lights. Now we're going to check our dashboard light indicators. I turn my headlights on. My headlight indicator is working properly. I turn on my high beams. My high beam indicator is working properly. I turn on my four ways. My four ways are working properly. Left turn signal working properly. Right turn signal working properly. Next, I'm going to go to my gauges. I'm going to work left to right. I'm going to start with my oil pressure gauge. My oil pressure gauge is working properly and it rose to the proper level within the first 10 seconds of starting the vehicle. Next is my coolant temperature gauge. My coolant temperature is rising to the proper level. Next thing I'm going to check is my battery to make sure that my battery is fully charged and working properly. Next is fuel. I have enough fuel for the day. Next is my primary and secondary air gauge are working properly and I have risen to the proper level. Coming out from my primary and secondary air gauge, I have my windshield wipers and my windshield washer fluid, both working properly. Next thing I'm going to check is my heater and defroster. I'm going to turn to defrost, and then I'm going to turn my fan on and make sure that I have air coming out of the defrost and heat, and I do. Now, coming out from there, I'm going to come to the steering wheel. My steering wheel is not cracked, broken, or missing. There's no more than 2 inches or 10% of free play. I'm going to make sure that my city horn is working properly. I'm going to make sure that my country horn is working properly, and they are. Coming out from there, I'm going to check my safety belt. My safety belt is not cut, frayed, or torn. It latches and unlatches properly. Next, I'm going to check my safety equipment, FET, F-E-T. I have my spare fuses, and then I have a fully charged fire extinguisher and 3 reflective triangles in the side box of the truck. That is the in-cab inspection. Go ahead and turn them off.